In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with a sales funnel even if you are a newbie in 2020. Hey guys, my name is Pete from SuperMedia and I help people just like you grow your impact, income and influence with videos and funnels. So remember to stay to the end of the video where I will give you my blueprint to identify your wallet-ready customer. They will keep buying stuff you've got to offer. So is the website dead? I remember years ago, I have to hire a whole bunch of coders and website guys just to build a single homepage. And I haven't even got into the details of the many frustrating calls I have to make to my developer just to tweak that single font or a color. So in the end, it took weeks to get it up and my first website ended up costing me thousands of dollars, and worst thing is it wasn't even what I had envisioned it to be. So needless to say, I did not make any money with that website. So one of the biggest problems with a website is that people will often pay $5,000 and even $10,000 just to get a website built. And then they might find that the website isn't really converting very well at all. And they might have to spend an additional few $1,000s just to go change something on that website, only to find that they are still not getting it to work. It's just an endless loop of tweaking and non-stop tweaking and getting it the results that you want. So I know maybe some of you guys are still confused about how a sales funnel helps me to make money. So now let me explain. And imagine that you are driving traffic from Facebook by running ads and you're paying $1 to get somebody to visit your website. So now just imagine this, you are in a huge supermarket and there are rows and shelves of produce and you're trying to buy a loaf of bread. But then you see a sign hanging from an aisle that says eggs and you think to yourself, I think I need eggs. And you start to move toward that aisle, totally forgetting that you wanted to buy bread in the beginning. So this is the same with websites. There are so many distractions on a website that you are always trying to draw and distract you from your original intent. There's the about section, and then there's the blog, and then there's customer support, FAQ, contact me. The list just go on and on and on. There are just so many things that can distract you and your customer. So if you run a Facebook ad and actually manage to get a customer to click and go visit your website, the same thing is going to happen again. So you've basically wasted $1 there. Now, can you imagine just how many millions and millions of dollars some huge companies will waste every week just running ads doing the same thing? Let's talk about a sales funnel. Let's imagine that you wanted to make some burgers. So you walk into this store and suddenly this salesperson greets you. He immediately shows you where you can get some of the freshest burger patties. So you wonder, in surprise, how does he even know you wanted to make some burgers in the first place? So you pick up some burger patties and before you wanted to ask him how he knew, he shows you some freshly baked burger buns. The buns smell so delicious that you picked up some and even more. So wanting to thank the salesperson, you turn around and what do you know? He brings out some awesome looking cheese. So you pop the cheese into your cart and when you looked up, the salesperson already has a jar of yummy looking pickles. And a good burger must always have pickles. So just like that, the salesperson adds the pickles into your cart. And again, before you can thank him for being thoughtful, he helps you with the cart towards the checkout counter. Just when you are about to reach for your wallet, he gently reminds you that there's a 50% sale for the top of the line barbecue pits. And by the way, today is the last day of the sale. It would be a shame if you were to miss it. So he detours to the grilling section to show you the barbecue pits on offer. And by the time you reach your car, you are a proud owner of a brand new barbecue pit. Of course, together with the staff to make the burger. Can you see how powerful a sales funnel is now? A sales funnel is your #1 salesperson that never calls in late and works 24/7 round the clock. And his only job is to get customer to buy stuff without being salesy or pushy. So thank you for watching this video. So if you liked the video, remember to give a thumbs up and comment down below what you learned from this video. And also subscribe and click on the notification bell so you will always be reminded of this same awesome content that I post 3 days a week. And don't forget to download your blueprint. The link is on the screen right now and the link can also be found in the description down below. And no, don't forget to watch the next video in this series by clicking here. See you in the next video.